I'm a big kid now. I'm a big kid now. Look what I can do. I can brush my teeth and wash my face. I can pick out my clothes and get dressed too. I can put on my shoes, that's what big kids do. I'm a big kid now. Look what I can do. I can make my bed and put my toys away. I can pack my backpack and clean my room too. I'm a big kid now. Look what I can do. I'm a big kid now. Come and grow with me. I can do it. I can help set the table and put my dishes up. That's what other big kids likes to do. And when things gets hard, I can ask for help and try again and do it myself. I'm a big kid now. I get better every day. Hey big kid, I'm a big kid now.